Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. Today we are talking about something super important if you are just starting out, how to actually run JavaScript. You can write all the JS code you want, but if you don't know where to run it, well, it's just sitting there looking pretty. So let's look at three simple ways to run JavaScript: browser console, Node.js, and online editors. So before we jump in, why even bother you learning this? First, you need to know where and how to execute JavaScript code. It lets you test idea quickly without setting up a big project, and it is a perfect for exploring and debugging as you learn. Alright, let's get into these methods. First one method is the browser console. This one is fastest and easiest way. Just open your browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, whatever you use, and press F12 or click on the choose the inspect and go to the console tab here. And now you can type JavaScript directly and press enter to run it. For example, console.log hello from the browser. Sorry. If you press the enter, you will get the output hello from the browser. It's a instant output. I usually use this for quick test and debugging. Next one is the Node.js. Now if you want to run JavaScript outside the browser, you will need Node.js. It is basically a JavaScript runtime environment, super popular for backend development. First download and install it from the nodejs.org from this link, and just get Node.js here and download this, and open your terminal and type node, and you will get the node environment here, and write this console.log hello from terminal. See, you will get the output hello from terminal as an output. Or if you have a file, just run this. Like I just create a file with the name extension of .js and write this console.log hello from .js file. If I run this node file name 03, and you will get the output hello from .js file. This method is great for large project and backend work. Third one is the online editors. If you don't want to install anything, try online editors like these playcode.io, these programmers.com, and JSFiddle and playcode and more. And these are the perfect for experimenting and sharing code. You will write the JavaScript code here and also here in this. So especially if you are learning or want quick feedback, you will use the online editors. So quick comparison is the browser console, no installation, quick test, super fast. Node.js require installation, great for backend and big projects, also fast. Online editors, no installation, great for sharing, and but a little slower but very convenient. So final tips for this is use the browser console for quick checks, use Node.js when you are building something serious, use online editors for experiments and demos. If you find this helpful, like, share and subscribe to JDCodebase for more short and practical coding tutorials. See you in the next one.